Something I thought would be really cool to show you is a window that turns. So a window that kind of turns the corner and becomes open. So I'm going to decide where my window is going to start. I'm going to put it on this wall because there's not a whole lot of space here. I'm going to put it on this wall and I'm going to go over. And actually I could even start on this wall if I wanted to, but let's just start on this wall and then I'll show you how to extend it out if you want to. So I'm going to have my window maybe start here, pretty close to that edge because there's not a whole lot of space there. Okay, and then I'm going to bring this in to the vanishing point. I'm going to bring my line into the vanishing point. Line back to my vanishing point. And then I want my window to kind of continue on. So watch what I'm going to do. I am going to go line up my ruler. Now I haven't done this before, but I just think it would be kind of cool. So we'll see what happens. So here's my window coming across. And maybe my window ends right here. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do the same thing. Lining up, notice I'm lining up my rulers on the ends and I'm coming across. And I want to end around the same point. Line that ruler up on my paper, top and bottom. And now I have kind of this open window. Now if I wanted to do a casing for this window, okay, if I wanted to do a casing for this window, I would be coming in this way from the corners. Let's do this corner too. Now that would be the corner there. Like I said, I haven't done this before, so I'm kind of making this up as I go along, but I just thought it might be kind of cool. So maybe this is the top of the casing? I don't know. Let's just figure it out. I have no idea. No, that's not right. This is what happens when you try something in a video and it doesn't work. You have to back up and rethink your idea. Just trying to think of how this would go, how you would find a casing here. So this would go, maybe this would go over and then across. This would definitely come down, but maybe I'm just doing it. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. I don't know, something like that maybe underneath the casing. And I was just thinking that that would be kind of a cool like corner window. And if I wanted to make this wrap around, so I could take this and I could make this, if I wanted it to, I could continue to that edge right here. I could erase this line and then line up my ruler with the edge of my paper and go across. And let's see, maybe my window ends here. And then this window disappears, this part disappears. So I think I might be making this a little bit too wide. Of course, I'm not using my ruler, which I probably should be doing, right? We always should be using our ruler when we're drawing in perspective. That's a automatic. Use your ruler when you draw in perspective. Do not freehand. So something like that. So then I have this kind of this big, huge kind of window against this wall. That's all open. So kind of cool. So just thought I would try that, and it seems to work. So anyway, you can get some pretty cool stuff in there.